Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Kesorkar Jela Rakkam is Sangma minta kesni palai jong katayo ke Henry Terik ujleu arajar arpusa ulaong bau MP bertemai jong ke Jela Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkon ulaong peminta udan shibon ki kam ki bau hap ban Pynurlong na ke benta ke Jela. Usangma ulaong baka jing job jong kertong ke VPP ke pau bagi pajba ki don ke jing Kyrmen bau nla ban Pynurlong ya barok ki jing don kam. Ula penrap ru deka baong beka VPP kala keren ye shibon ki mat jong ke jela bat menta ki pat ba ki ap kemi lenti ba anla ban Pynurlong yaki. Hagajo kopor nakalyang Union Menteri Sorkar ulong bahatura ki social media kila trei borba ban pengop ye ki pat ba nong tap vote. Ula kentat ru ye ki jing keno ba ka jing menteri bah jong ke Sorkar ka kta ye ka seng hari lum karo.
People have voted to BPP and about Singkon with a high expectation, and now Singkon, Honorable MP, is a part of the fans within the fans now. He also become a man to deliver now. These same people voted to him with high expectation to meet the challenges like be it the ILP, be it the Ichidul, be it the travel challenge, the Christian challenge. I don't know. So now it is up to Singkon. He have to work hard also to convince the government of India and the Ministry of Home Affairs to make all this. And if he also could not meet the expectation, the same people will say a different story tomorrow.
And how do you react to your brother winning the Garu seat, making a history?
I wish him all the best. He have also soldiered this same as possible. Maybe people of Garu Hills want to see a new MP for this time, so they have voted.
So do you mean to say that it is up to the VPP to talk to the center to bring to implement ILP in the state?
No, it is not purely the responsibility. It's a responsibility of the together. Now he also part of the team now. He also solves the responsibility to make things happen, because from the day one, this government NPP and the MDA government is trying its best to make it happen, but still is on the process. But now the Singkon Honorable MP from Shillong has also become the part of the team now. So he have to respond now. He also solves the same responsible now.
So you said Basinkon now has to walk the talk. So are you looking at a difficult road ahead for him? Do you think it's going to be very difficult?
It is. Sometimes it is leaders how we approach. So maybe I don't know whether it can happen or not happen. But now, after becoming Honorable MP now, Singkon also will see the different colors, the dynamics of the Indian politics, and he will see the colors of the beauty, the Indian democracy. So I think he will also become the part of our team with soldiering the responsibility.
So there's one more thing about Garu Hills. There's a narrative saying that the win of the Congress marks the end of the NPP, at least in the 2028 elections.
No, it is really.
So how do you see it?
No, it is not. It is not the end or beginning, but it is really what happened today is a really energize to our party. We can work better. We can work harder. Look, the vote bank. From the NPP vote bank, it is only just 50,000 cross-voted. Even we have got 2 lakhs plus vote, still our NPP still voted. But about 50,000 has been carried away because of church issue, because of Christian issues. Somebody has to make the fake video, wrong video, edited video. All things happen. So people doesn't know whether it's correct or not correct. So this is what happened really. But this is because this, I don't know, the people. For many, I don't want to say this way, but however, it happens so. So I think we have to accept that maybe people think that solo, we want to see a new MP from this year. Maybe so.
Well, social media.
We can say, look, I don't know whether it happened in Kasios or not. In Gargalas, there was one video made by some individual. They edited the currency note of 500 rupees. One side in the Durga Puja, Durga, God, and other side is what you call Ram Mandir, and they posted that the MPP and the BJP is going to edit, what you call reprint the money like this. Will Christian give offering to God in the church? They made this kind of video. So many people doesn't know this, and the people also believe this. I don't know whether the church leaders are aware of this or not. There was a one video, the Indian currency rupees 500 edited with Durga God in the other side, and the other side is a what you call that Mandir, Ram Mandir. They said the money will be like this from this year onward. Will Christian give this money to the as an offering in the church? They made this kind of video. So maybe the church might have believed so. The maybe church goers, Christians, friends who have believed so. But this is incorrect. This is not correct. So maybe I think sometimes politics has crossed the limit, which should not happen so.
Don't you think that lack
As a MP, what Madam Agatha, what Vincent Pala could not do, people have sending a new player to the parliament. They should, both the MP of the state should go with the high spirit that they should continue to pursue this issue. And because for Shillong, we are crying for the ILP, but Vincent Pala failed to fulfill. He failed to raise the issue to convince the government of India. Now it will be in the hands of the Singkon in the parliament to convince the parliament to adopt so that what the people of the state want to see, that the Singkon brings and fulfilling the aspiration of the state of India.
Well, sir, it is sad.
No, it is not the loss of the BPP here. Sorry, NPP here. It is the loss of the Vincent Pala. Right? Let the times comes. They have their own process. We have also have on ground. But this emotion, politics, I don't know how. Look, the people have voted so strong this time for BPP. But let's see how far to which distance this emotion can be carried along. How long it will last, it will depend on, and how as an MP, how they perform this time. If Singkon really perform, really meet expectations of the people, the employments, the security, the expectation be the ILP, all this issue, if Singkon really can do it, yes, it may happen so. But people read the progress report of every party, every leaders, every individual. We can fool people once. We cannot repeat the same for the twice. So people will definitely will read, will compare the performance, be it the MP, be it the MLA, be it everybody. So this is a natural process.
So, well, sir, are you saying that politics is a marathon, not a sprint, and the VPP will gas out before 2028?
So I don't say that way, but it will depend on their performance too. Now, let's wait for some time whether they meet the expectation or not. Right? Whether now as a BPP now become the part team of the family that will deliver to the people. Now the line has been drawn. They are no more the party who will always criticize the demand. They have now become the part of the family that they have to deliver to the people. So they are solving the same responsibility. So now BPP is no more the demanding party. Now they are also the responsible party. They have the MP and the parliament. They also to deliver now. People will read this line clearly. Explain to the people. Or however, it's happened something. Maybe God has more favor for them. So maybe it's a God's will only. We have to accept gracefully. So when sometimes nothing gonna happen apart from the God's desire. So maybe this time the blessing was with for my brother Basale. I wish him all the best. But so people have voted to him with a high expectation to serve the people, and like I expect Basale to do the dumdam in the parliament.
It is.
So P. Sangma, honorable former Lok Sabha Speaker. So P.S. was a short man. He wanted to raise the issue for the Northeast, for the Christian. What he said. Look, during some, I think what called during the Ale BJP time, it is even P.S. Sangma said, eating beef by Christians in a tribal community hurt the sentiment of the Hindu people. Hindu religion, right? Not killing the beef during the funeral, during the celebration of the Christian community from Garo community is hurting the sentiment of my tribal people and Garo and Christian people. This is what he said. But that said by standing in the table in the parliament. So maybe Saleh has to, if the India don't listen, Saleh should stand in the table as the P. Sangma did. So he should make the country listen, the voice of the tribal and voice of the people of the state. That we expect both Sinkun and Saleh to make the country listen.
So two things. NPP is in the ruling, lost one of its very
performance of the proper performance of the outgoing MP.
No, it is not. She has done marvelous things, raised the issue in the parliament, meet the people, but sometimes it happens so. The wave created, people want to change, someone to new, because sometimes, I don't want to say it, because sometimes you have a friends in the college throughout the years, but sometimes when you see somebody, you go to make a new friends also. Maybe the people of Kerala want to see a new MP. Maybe that's happened so. So we have to accept the people's mandate. So we accept gracefully. Maybe are wrong. If we have are wrong, it's our time to correct. So, and also to where the people have voted in favor of Saling this time, whether they may have correct choice. If God's willing, we have to accept it.
Coming to Shillong, do you think that NBP now it is end of the road because Khasi Hills then party is not accepted?
Now look at the both side. Exactly along as in the Garo Hills. Khasi Hills also, if you look at the both side that we have got in assembly election, just 50,000 voters only cross-voted even in Khasi Hills as well as in Garo Hills. Nothing new. We are still strong here. And I think NPP will definitely come back. And look, be the MP, be from Shillong and in Tura, they will be both upsetting will be in the opposition. I don't know whether they will be able to bring the development, the challenges, they'll be able to solve issues or not. That's also the different story. So sitting, look, you can take Sir former MP, Honorable MP Pala. He was in the MP for 3 times. He wants to come into the state politics and contest for ML election. Maybe I don't know why he decides so. So that means living away the MP, he wants to be in that as an MLA. I feel sometimes MLA have better way to serve the people. So maybe I see the Sir P. Sangma, the former speaker also. When he was the MP, he have vacated the seat and contest from Tura to become the MLA. Maybe as an MLA, he can work better for the people of the constituency, for the area. Maybe so. So now, but Saleng, he was MP for MLA for last 15 years. Now going for the MP, so he will see the new dimension, new chapter of his responsibility. And if he don't enjoy, as Pala and Sir P. Sangma did in the past, he may come back to the state government to contest again.
So you said